What's going on, guys? This is my new airsoft gun, as you can tell, because in the beginning of this video you saw me throwing away, sadly, my AK-74U, and it really hurt me. Like, truly, that was a really good gun. But I got a new one. This one's pretty amazing too. It's part of the Zombie Hunter series from Hedgeler & Koch. This is it. Instead of taking a rechargeable battery, it has 6 AA's, and it's 300 feet per second. There's a 220 max capacity magazine, which is clear. Then this is the top that has a side rail and also a top rail. And got to put the back on first. Give them a little look down the sights. There we go. And yeah, stock, collapsible, really light gun. It has semi. Instead of being like a switch, it is a little slide, which center is semi, and then all the way is full, and then mag ejects sometimes.
Gotta put the battery in and show them how fast it shoots, and how slow it shoots, and how semi works. You know,
Yeah,
just a bit.
that stuff.
Hi guys, by the way,
There's
read
a
here.
little diagram inside, show you how the batteries go. So it'll go like, it's confusing, hold on. Like that, and
Bullseye.